This is Idris once again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make some few dollars by installing an app and viewing some ads and also referring your friends to install this same app. There are a lot of apps on the Play Store that you can install and use them in order to get paid for using it, and this app is going to be one of them. I've been using this app. I made some few dollars from it, and I want to show you how you can also use it to make some dollars from this app. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your Play Store. When you open the Play Store, you come to the search. So from the search, you type this. So you take the first one, that's the WAF ROS. You click on it, then you install it. I'm already having it on my phone, but in your case you need to install it first. When you install it, then you can open it. So when you open it, because this is your first time of using this app, you will not see this interface. What you will see is log in with Facebook. It will be located at the top right corner of the app where the point is. You will see log in with Facebook. If you do not see login with Facebook, you will see the Facebook logo there. You click on it. When you click on it, you will be directed to your Facebook page. Then you agree and continue. Once you agree and continue, you will be asked to enter a referral code. So I will leave my referral code in the description below. It is this referral code that you will use in order to get your first cents, 0.3 cents, for logging in. Without the referral code, you will not get any sign up bonus. So you have to make sure that you copy the referral code and use it in order to get your first 0.3 cents. So once you put the referral code, you click on continue. There you will be able to see this page. So once you are here, the first thing you need to do is to click on this tab. You can scroll here to see the other options. So here you can go through them. These are various apps. You can install these apps and use it for some few minutes and get paid. Like this app, the first one, that's the Blaze of Battle. You click on it, then install it from the Play Store. You play and reach level 9, then you will be. This is Idris once again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make some few dollars by installing an app and viewing some ads and also referring your friends to install this same app. There are a lot of apps on the Play Store that you, and the most interesting part of this app is you can watch some ads, that's video ads, and get paid. So let's say you are going to watch your first ad. You scroll to the other pics. There you will see this ads. You click on any of this ad, then you can begin to watch the ad. Let's wait for the ad to load. You see, this is the ad. So wait for the ad to load. After the ad is done, then you will get paid. Okay, done. Then you can close it. Let's go and see our points. Let's wait for it to finish the process. Okay, it's done. As you can see the point now. Initially it was 0.323, but now it has increased to 0.328, meaning the balance has been added to my account. So you can earn more rewards by referring your friends to also install this app using your referral code. To do that, you click on the 3 bars on top there. From there you come here and see invite friends. You click on invite friends, then you can share this link direct to your Facebook account, or you can share on Instagram, Twitter, and the rest. Or if you want, you can just refer them to download the app and use your invite code. So in this case, this is my invite code, JL25584. Make sure you type this code first before you'll be given your initial sign up bonus. So this is just a simple way to make money online. You can make about $10 to $50 a day, depending on the number of people you refer and the number of apps and apps you download and view. So this is how we make some few dollars using your smartphone. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. Thank you once again and have a nice day. Bye.